Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the date function. So this is basically my theme, my crappy theme that doesn't do anything except you can just see the title and the content and the post thumbnail. So yeah, but now I'm going to do something more. That is, I'm going to add the date. So let's go here and let's just type the date, and you can see that it will display or retrieve the date. So yeah, so I'm going to do these brackets and the semicolon and we are good to go. So if we just refresh the page right now, we should see the date here. So December 24, 2019, and this was December 18, 2019. So where did this format came from? So if we if we go to our settings and the general, so it should be in the general, right? So yeah, so you can see here the date format is January 5, 2020. So you can either select this or this or this, or even you can just select custom date as if you want to. If you just type a WordPress date format, you will get the all the custom type that you can make on your own. So you can do that from there, and if you want the time you can just select this or the custom one. So right now it is selected this one, but if I want to show the date like this, all I have to do is select this one, 1 5, meaning month, then this day, this year, then I'm gonna save the changes, and here you can see the date will change as well. So if I just reload this, you can see 12, but it doesn't look good. So I'm choosing back to the last one. So I'm gonna hit save changes, and I'm going to reload the document here, and it's good to go. So yeah, so the date function is good if you just want to show the date you have. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.